Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be doing a detailed comparison between three of the most advanced AI agents and AI LLMs out there. That is the ChatGPT, the Google Gemini, and the Claude, the Anthropic Claude. So we will be comparing the paid versions for all the three of them. So choosing the best paid AI subscription depends entirely on your specific workflow, as all the three major plan costs around the same but excels in fundamentally different areas. So if I talk about ChatGPT, it is the best all-rounder multi-tool offering the most generous usage limits and seamless video capabilities and voice capabilities as well. And if I talk about the Claude Pro, you can see it is the absolute best for coding and advanced reasoning and nuanced writing, whereas Gemini excels in providing the highest ecosystem value, packaging massive context window, and Google Workspace integration as well. So as you can see, I did created this video earlier, but I wasn't able to screen record properly due to an issue in my OBS screen recorder. But here was the recap for all of the three of them. So the first task that I gave to all three of them was to write a very short horror story in 50 words. The similar prompt was given to all three of them, and you can see the results right here. So you can see that this story written by ChatGPT that reads, I heard screeching beneath my bed every night. Tonight I finally looked. Nothing. Relieved, I climbed back under the blanket. Then a cold hand gripped my ankle from below. A whisper rose from the darkness. Good, now it thinks you are still up there. I froze, unable to scream. So yes, this is actually quite terrifying, but it is actually also very cringe that we see every day. So I think it would be a 2.5 out of 5. Now, the next one from Gemini says the baby monitor crackled to life at midnight. I heard a soft, soothing lullaby echoing through the heavy static. My blood turned to ice as I suddenly realized two horrified things. I live completely alone and I do not own a baby monitor. Heavy footsteps began ascending my wooden staircase. So, this one was much more terrifying with a 3.5 out of 5 rating. Now we can see the third one. The last thing the babysitter heard before the line went dead was the operator's whisper. The calls are coming from inside the house. She turned, the hallway stretched longer than she remembered. Behind her, the phone rang again. She didn't hang it up. Slowly, something picked up. So this was also good, but I think because of some uncertainties, we can give it a 3 out of 5. Then we moved on to the next particular task, which was the create image creation. So basically this was a competition between the chat gpt and the Gemini, as Claude simply refused that it can't create images as it don't have any image generation capability in this interface. So what it could do instead was that it could create an svg illustration, but it did honestly told us that SVG is vector art, not a photorealistic render, so it won't look like a real photograph. So we went on with the ChatGPT and the Gemini, and the ChatGPT one. You can see this particular image that it has created, and I think this is a actually wonderful image that has been created by ChatGPT. Whereas the one which Gemini created is also really good, but I think the ChatGPT image beats the one created by Gemini. Now moving on to the next set of tasks, which was the coding. I asked all three of them to generate a single HTML file representing the Earth with the lowest effort, that means the instant model. And you can see for all of the three of them, they have generated this vector art. The first one generated by ChatGPT, as I can see right here in this particular artifact, is actually good for a first attempt in the lowest effort. For the Gemini one, I needed to download this file. I wasn't able to see it in, so I need to open a new tab. And this does not looks like Earth at all. And if I talk about Claude, it is really very similar to what ChatGPT has generated, but even much more better looking than what ChatGPT generated. So this was a comprehensive comparison between all the three of them, and in conclusion we can say that if you you should choose the ChatGPT Plus, the ultimate generalist, if as ChatGPT acts as a highly obedient, capable general assistant, so it follows strict checklists precisely with balances reasoning with speed. So the advanced voice mode is unmatched for realistic, fluid voice conversations. A deep research feature excels at multitask and daily provides high quality images. Although one downside that writing can sometimes lean towards generic AI pose as we saw in there. So you can also choose Claude Pro, which is the specialist for thinkers and coders, as Claude feels like a chatbot and less feels less like a chatbot and more like a brilliant human collaborator. Its internal processing handles high stakes logic seamlessly. As we saw, you can choose the Gemini Advanced, which is the ecosystem powerhouse, as Google bundles significant hardware level and software level perks to make Gemini the best overall raw financial value. So, according to your own usage, you can choose any three of them. And this was all about this particular comparison between the three of them. So depending upon your own personal interest, like if you wish to generate images more, then you can simply choose ChatGPT. If you are working on a research or advanced research or likewise things, then I think Gemini is one of the best out there, whereas Claude has no matched performance for Claude as well. So this was all one of the things that I would like to say. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.